How do I look? Do you like my makeup? Is my face beat? Am I snatched? Holy shit, I look disgusting. Hey guys, so today's video is kind of impromptu. We're gonna be doing a full face of products that I hate. Don't mind if you hear noises in the background. I'm really close to my family right now. They're in the kitchen cleaning. But yeah, it's literally like almost 1 a.m. and I have nowhere to go, which means I can be ugly, which means I can film this video that I've been planning to film for months, which is full face of products that I freaking hate. So if you want to see that, just stick around. Yeah, our first criminals are the NYX brow products. Now my issue with these is not the actual products, but the color. I have such a hard time finding brow products at the drugstore because they never have a dark enough brow color for me, or it's too warm, or it's too light, or it's black, and it's just like, people have dark eyebrows that aren't warm, and like these ones, shades chocolate do not work for me. It's too warm. Shades that are called, pretty sure this is espresso, shades that are called espresso do not work for me. People are like, why don't you just get, no, these do not work because they are warm. I'm sure NYX has more colors than this, but not at the drugstore, and I'm poor, so that's where I shop. Therefore, this is a problem. Now, we're going to just try to make this work, but I'm going to show you guys why these kind of shades don't work for me. Yeah. Can you see that? Can you see that? Yeah. So that's the shade chocolate. Now this other one is in the shade espresso. This is the, if I didn't say, this is the NYX micro brow pencil that's actually really raved about, and I thought I was gonna love it too, but I can't because of the color. This is the NYX 3-in-1 brow pencil. So it is a, hold on, we have a brow gel at the end, a tinted brow gel. We have this thing that adds color, and then we have a pencil. So let's try espresso and see if it's better or worse than chocolate. Espresso's better, but it's still it's not my eyebrow color. So this part, like with the little chunky part, I've never used it. Oh, this might be expired. It might be expired. It's just like bringing dust and then like little chunks fly off of it. Let's just see. So I guess it would like fill in the sparse area or something like that. I guess that would be its job. I don't know. Let's see. I mean, I'm getting some color, I guess. This may or may not be expired. I don't know. Well, let's go for the brow gel. Let's go for the brow gel. Brow gels usually can save everything, right? It was this or an e.l.f. brow product, and I wasn't trying to take it there today. Like the e.l.f. brow pomade, I wasn't trying to. Okay, automatically, this thing is overloaded with product to the point that it just like coats your brows in like, I remember hating this. I think I need to pat my brows down. Okay, so I actually have 2 concealers in mind that did not work out for me. Oh, the Morphe brushes sticker somehow got onto the e.l.f. one. The Morphe one is in the shade Macchiato, and the e.l.f. one is in the shade Light. So let's just, I want to try the e.l.f. first to see if we can even just carve out the brows. What color is this? Oh yeah, she's bright. Use that on the brows. Let's see if it can spot conceal this big red thing that I have here. Let's see. Probably not, but let's give it a shot again. Okay, so I didn't really have an eyeshadow palette that I hated, so I just grabbed one that I didn't super like, which is the Maybelline Blush to Nudes. I mean, I used it in high school and everything, but even then I wasn't super feeling it. So I think first, there's like no mattes in this palette. Wait, I think first we're gonna go into this dusty pink shade and see what that does. Oh, she's powdery. Oh, it's definitely still ashy. An ashy girl. Oh boy. I'm trying so hard like not to hate it. I'm gonna put this darker color on the outer corners right here. Let's try that. And then this pinky color. I'm gonna have to dig in the most, put that in our crease. See if that looks good or something. That'll give us the color we want. There we go. Let's try on this color tattoo for the lid. Whoa. I just made a mess. So I'm honestly just gonna apply it straight to the lid because who cares? So let's just get going. So as you can see, it's pretty sheer. Oh boy. Yeah, that's not really appealing. It's not my favorite. So, and then do you see how it like it doesn't dry down and then it like creases up? Like, that's so ugly. Now for the primer, I don't necessarily hate this primer also, but I kind of do. It's very mixed feelings. Okay, so yeah, the e.l.f. Mineral Infused Face Primer is like this clear silicone jelly, and it's like it doesn't do nothing, but I feel like I'm putting straight up silicone and dimethicone on my face. Like my face feels like slimy. Then we have the e.l.f. Illuminating Face Primer. My issue with this primer is that it's supposed to be illuminating, but really it's just shimmer. So this is the illuminating face primer. It's like a yellow highlighter. So the way I actually used to use this product once I realized this was I would take it and I would put it on the places on my face that I would highlight, and I would do that. So let's see if I could still make it highlighty. Because this was my version of a liquid highlighter before I could afford one. Another product that I don't necessarily hate is the Maybelline Dream Cushion Foundation. Tried to use this foundation. I tried to use it. I actually did use this one for a while, but clearly I didn't know my color because I thought that shade number 30 was my color. Maybe it is. I'll go back to it, but I tried to get shade number 45. It's not my color. I can't find a color in it no matter how hard I try. Oh, you know what? I got the sponge out. Let's just stab her on that way. Shoot. It's the way to do it, right? I can give a couple taps on 45 to see if we can darken this up a little bit because I look ghostly. Just a little darker. 45 is actually not that bad of a color now that I'm looking at it. So let's kind of throw 45 in there with it and let's see how that goes. My foundation is not terrible. So for the concealer, like I said, I have the Morphe concealer, which is in the shade Macchiato. I don't know if the shade is gonna even match me, but let's see. Oh, it's okay. So this is the Morphe concealer in the shade Macchiato. This is the old concealer. This is not the new concealer. Got this concealer, I'd say like a year ago. Get the nose. Okay, that's not bad. Oh, do you see how streaky it is? Like, is it the brush that I'm using? Maybe it's this brush. Now my issue with this concealer, if you can see, is that excuse me, the coverage is whack. My skin, it emphasizes all the texture on my skin. Bring the light down so you can see it. It emphasizes all the texture on my skin. Can you see that? And look at how creasy and sallow they look. Like that's not cute. And if you bring it back up, I think this is where I had it. Girl, my skin looks old. Like, do you see? I don't look pretty. This is the e.l.f. Banana powder. Is that what this is? e.l.f. powder and banana deep, and I like this little size is the size it comes in, I guess. I don't know. I also got this quite some time ago. This is it on the sponge. I'm gonna try some on my under eyes. Now, my original gripe with this powder was that it did not control my oils. I don't remember how I felt about it wearing. I do need to set my whole face because this powder, this foundation is not matte. It's very transfer-y, very wet, so I powder everywhere else. Just gonna dab it in there a little bit and just kind of spread it. It leaves a terrible cast on your skin. Oh my god. It like removed all the coverage from my foundation. Did you guys see that? You can see all my acne now. Like, turn the light down. You can literally see all of my acne now. Like, oh my god. Jeez, that's terrible. I've never used that for that before. Like, that just made the foundation and concealer look worse. And I didn't think that was possible. I'm like, wow, okay. So for a bronzer, actually no, I have two things. I have a contour that I don't like and I have a bronzer that I don't like. So for the contour that I don't like, I have this, who is she? Rimmel London. This little trio thing that actually a lot of people will like. I don't know why they like this thing. Seriously, let's see what we can do. I've heard people say so many good things about this, but I just don't. It doesn't look pretty on me. Like, it just doesn't look pretty on me. The next product that I don't really like is this e.l.f. bronzer palette, which I'm surprised about because the e.l.f. contour palette, e.l.f. contour kit, is my favorite bronzer palette. I actually use that for bronzer, not contour. So I'm like, why do I not like this? First off, they all have shimmer in them. This one's a complete shimmer, but these three also have little flecks of shimmer, so that's number one. Number two, these shades are off. Just, they're weird. Like, this is them. They're just weird. So I think they personally got the palette switched. Like, the bronzer one is kind of pink and the contour one is more yellow, which is interesting. All my brushes are shedding today, like not just one, all of them. I think they're telling me that they don't like this makeup. That's the truth. The blush that didn't work out for me is the blush that's in this palette because it's basically a highlighter. It's so shimmery. But we are going to give it a chance. Yes, we are. Let's see. You know, it actually doesn't look bad from this angle. Oh, wait. I just realized that I can't see it because it's coming up. Oh, it's showing on camera. In person, it's showing like... On camera, it looks pink. In person, it looks like I just put highlighter all over my face. Wow, Safiyyah, you are not doing it right today. What do you guys think of my skin? What do you think of these cheeks? Wow. Oh wait, is my foundation moving around? I think the foundation is moving around, guys. Wait a minute. What the hell? I don't remember that part of the gig. So there's that. Less skin. I actually have two highlighters that I did not like. Now these two highlighters I didn't like not for the formula, but I didn't like them because of their shades. At the time, I was really going through a time where like I was really struggling to figure out what suited my skin tone and what didn't. And I got this e.l.f. highlighter in the shade Sunset Glow. So this is Sunset Glow. At the time, I thought it was too icy, but I feel like I could have been wrong. Like, I think I can wear that. And then we also have this Urban Decay Afterglow highlighter, which I also thought was way too icy on me. It looks like this. It's the texture on it is just so nice though. Like the texture. So that's Afterglow. These are very light highlighters. I want to go with the e.l.f. first. Let's give her a shot. Whoa, that is icy. That is an icy highlighter if I have ever seen one. That is one. Wow. Let's try some right there. We're gonna kind of build it up a little bit right here. It's not terrible. It's not unwearable. It's just icy. And I'm not an icy highlight kind of chick. So on this side of my face, I want to try Afterglow. So this is the Urban Decay highlighter. Wow, that's a little icy. Wow. Honestly, if you're near my skin tone and you're looking for an icy highlighter, these could work for you. Like, if I turn my face to the side, I don't look like trash. I don't look super ashy. It's just like, it's icy. So these aren't bad highlighters per se. They're just not my favorite. We do have a setting spray to try. It is this Kula Organic Makeup Setting Spray with hyaluronic acid. If I remember correctly, this shit burns, so. Ooh, it smells disgusting. I think that's what it was. Let's just see. Oof, it burns my nose. Oh my god. It's very strong. The directions say to spray 10 to 12 inches from your face, so let's try to.
Ugh, it still burns my nose. Ugh. That is not it. Okay.
I have all of these colors of lipstick that I do not like for myself, and we're just gonna give them a go. So the first one we have is from Angel Food. I guess it's the, no, Winky Lux is the brand. Okay, never mind. It's from Winky Lux, but it's from Winky Lux, and I guess the shade of it is Angel Food. Let's see. Me and this color do not get along. I think it's gonna need a lip liner. I put the brown on first. Let's give it a shot now. It's more peachy. It's like a peachy nude, but it's not. With the brown under it, it's not terrible. It's still not mine. It's not terrible, but it's still not my favorite. Here is a swatch of that color. That is She. Now we have the Bare Minerals in the shade Swag, and it says this is a matte, so I'm assuming it's liquid lipstick. I absolutely hate cool tone pinks on myself. I have found one that I like from Too Faced, and that is literally it. So let's try this out. I look like Barbie's step cousin, the cousin she calls and she's like, girl, what is you doing? The very last one that we are giving a try today is this Kat Von D lipstick in the shade Love Stick. Love Sick. Okay. Oh my god. It's like a purple pink. I'm confused. A lot of people love this like lipstick formula. I'm not standing it, like, personally. This color is ridiculous. All right, so there you guys have it. That is my full face of makeup that I hate. And it's not the cutest I've ever been. Okay, let's just get a little close so we can see the carnage that's taking place here. Okay, carnage. Okay,
let's get real HD for you guys. Let's get in there. Let's just. It's cute. Creasy concealer is cute. Crackly, dusty eyeshadows. You know, the new trend. Clearly, I look gorgeous. Don't you like that? Isn't that attractive? Would you take me on a date? Would you? I don't think so.
and not all of these products were inexpensive products. Some of these were expensive. The Kat Von D, the Winky Lux, the Bare Minerals, like, not all of these were cheap. And this is what we're working with. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed me watching a video where I actually roast some products and be like, these products are bad. Let me know if that's the kind of video. Some people don't like more negative product reviews. They don't like to know what products are bad. Some people like these kind of videos so they know what products to avoid. So let me know if you like this or dislike this. You feel like it's not useful to you, or you feel like it is, because you know what products to avoid at the store. So in terms of everything I used today, avoid it, or get your right shade in it, or just don't. Give me a big thumbs up on the video if you like this video. Leave me a comment down below if you would like to, and as always, subscribe to my channel. I swear I am usually 1,000 times prettier than this in my other videos, so if you're interested in those, I will leave some up on the screen for you to check out, because I swear I can do makeup. I swear. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in the next one.